Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Blessing. On today's episode, I will share with you top 10 websites where you can get cybersecurity beginner courses for free, where you can basically learn for free. And some of these websites offer free certifications as well, while others might ask for a stipend to give you a certification after you complete the course. So why is the certification important? The certification is important for you to display on your LinkedIn page, for example, for you to put also on your CV, your resume, and it also helps your to-be employer or your potential employer to have like a sense of your skill set, have a sense of your skill level, and he or she is able to gauge you based on what you have on your resume or on your job search site. Yes, so trust me, it actually makes it easier when you are looking for your first gig in cybersecurity. So in this video I talked about how difficult cybersecurity can be, and that still stands, but I'm not trying to scare you. The truth is that cybersecurity can be difficult, but also it depends on your approach to learning. I will always advise people to start with beginner courses and foundational courses. I look so serious. So guys, without further ado, if you're one of those people who happen to be interested in starting a career in cybersecurity, then these websites are definitely for you. Before we go into the details of this video, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as that will be the most beautiful thing that will happen to me today. It will make me really happy. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be the first to see my videos whenever I publish a brand new one. So without further ado, let's get to this website. So the first on my list is cybrary.it. I'm going to go right to Cybrary so you see what it's like. Once you get to Cybrary, just go ahead and search for cybersecurity foundational courses, and you definitely will get courses that will pop up. So let's do this. This is cybrary.it. So cybrary.it is one of those websites one of those learning websites where you can get free cybersecurity courses. So this is Introduction to IT and Cybersecurity. You can see it's right here, and we have Security Plus. These courses are free. You can just go there, sign up on Cybrary, and then you get to enjoy this course for free. So the next on my list is edx.org. edx.org is one of the best websites you can ever visit to learn. Even if it means you have to pay for certification or pay for the course, trust me, edx is one of the best you can ever pick for your learning for your learning curve. Basically, you have the likes of MIT, Harvard. I've taken a course with Harvard here, and it's been helpful. It's on my CV. I actually really flaunt it so much. Oh my goodness, if that were really physical Harvard though, but who knows, never say never. You have the University of Texas, you have Boston University, like you have like the biggest of the biggest universities on here. So there's a course on here that is called Introduction to Cybersecurity. I took the course. It's actually it was taken by a professor called Professor Barbara Edidot. Yeah, I can't remember the last part of her name, but Barbara Edidot. It was quite a resounding course for me, and I'm super happy I took that course. That course was taken on edx.org. The next on our list is Coursera.org. So Coursera can be a bit difficult sometimes when it comes to free courses, but this is what you do. There are so many big names like Google, like IBM, that will give some free courses in partnership with Coursera. Trust me, Coursera is one of those best. I've been saying that every other website is the best, but Coursera is the best because the courses they have here are so tailored to different learning curve. If you like to read, if you like to study with videos, however you want it, most Coursera courses actually have a way of giving you different flavor of learning. So it's a good place to go check out free cybersecurity courses, and do let me know what you think about it. Maybe I am over exaggerating, or maybe not. The next on my list is Udacity. I did a course called Cyber Physical Security on Udacity, and it's one of the best courses I have ever done. It's one of the best things that happened to me when I was starting out in cybersecurity. When people talk about cyber physical security, I'm able to contribute. I'm able to understand what they are saying. When they talk about SCADA and the rest of them, trust me, I am able to contribute because of the course I took on Udacity, and it is called Cyber Physical Security. It's a different aspect of security, of cybersecurity. So one of the places you should definitely go check out for your free cybersecurity courses is Udacity.com. Udacity is actually like, trust me, it's an easy learning place. You can just go to I'm not logged in, so I'm not able to search, but you can just go to programs, then you go to artificial intelligence, you go to cybersecurity right here, then you have introduction to cybersecurity, you have security engineer, you have security analyst, you have ethical hacking. Please always start with introduction to cybersecurity if you are totally new to cybersecurity. You have cloud computing too, so if you're interested in cloud computing, you can definitely come here for that. The next on my list is Udemy. Udemy.com. So Udemy just has like a lot of free courses. Sometimes it gets overwhelmed. Coming here, free cybersecurity courses. Udemy is one of those places where you get a lot of free courses currently. So I think I've mentioned this before, but you just come here and you can just filter based on level, beginner level, and then you can also filter based on price. Free, just click on free. They have 2,701 free courses in cybersecurity. Once you click on free, you're gonna see a lot of courses. You see cybersecurity course for beginners, you see security awareness campaign, you see free CCNA. Next on my list is IBM Skill. This IBM Skill, I also took a course on IBM Skill, and that course, that particular certification is on my LinkedIn as we speak, and it's been very helpful. It's introduction to cybersecurity and IT foundation for cybersecurity, and they also have one that says introduction to cybersecurity. So IBM Skill is another place for you to get like free cybersecurity course for beginners, and they give you certification and you can display it, and trust me, it makes you feel proud that you've done something really good, and trust me, you actually have done something good by taking that course. Another place you can get a free course for cybersecurity as a beginner is NetAccount, Cisco NetAccount. So NetAccount is netacad.com. Cisco NetAccount. They have a lot of courses, a lot of free courses for networking, for OS and IT, for programming, for cybersecurity. They have free courses. So guys, that is it. And then the next we are going to go to is our our always YouTube. YouTube is one place where you get a lot of free courses. Like you have a lot. So just type cybersecurity courses or training. YouTube just gives you a lot. This one is 8 hours cybersecurity full course, and this looks like a very good. I like courses that they use animations. I kind of feel like I understand those courses better. Like they sing better. They have a lot of free courses here, and not just free courses, you get to hear people talk about their experience in cybersecurity, and that way it helps you to know, okay, am I really in for this, or I'm just going to change my mind. So coming to YouTube is like one of the best place you should come and search about cybersecurity or any other IT courses you might be interested in. I also have up here a video where I talked about YouTube channels you should definitely visit as a cybersecurity exercise. So moving on to the next on my list is OCW. Basically it's an MIT website. OCW is an MIT website, so you get free courses here from MIT. I mean, it's MIT, guys. I mean, these courses are free. MIT, it's called the MIT Open Courseware. So you can come to MIT Open Courseware. I haven't used this before, sincerely speaking. I am going to be truthful. I haven't used this before, but I was doing research and I came across it, and I thought it would be nice for you guys to check it out. If you want to do something prestigious, you want computer system security, you want some course that have that prestige, MIT. The next on my list is SANS. So the cyber races, it's called the cyber races. Yeah, cyber races. I also haven't visited the site. Sorry, I haven't gone on this site to study or to learn from any of the courses they have, but I did the research and the site came up, and I believe because it's SANS, they are one of the most prestigious institutions in cybersecurity, and so you should definitely check out cyberraces.org. I'm going to link it in the description box down below. So guys, that is it for me today. My top still remains YouTube because there is so much for you to learn here. So you can go to your favorite search engine and just search for courses in cybersecurity. You see things coming up. Search for how to get started in cybersecurity. There are things, you see a lot of things coming up. Google is your friend, because in cybersecurity there are so many things that you might forget. And don't be ashamed to use Google, because it's your friend, it's handy, it's helpful. So guys, that is it for me today. I didn't want this video to be long, and I hope it's not long. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are yet to hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. That would be the most amazing, incredible thing that will happen to me today. I know I said that already, but thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next episode. And do not forget to watch my other videos that will pop up here. Thank you and peace.